Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create a website. If you are a complete beginner, I will show you step-by-step process that how you can create a website like this one. So as you can see, I have created a testimonial website where you can add your portfolio, you can drop your projects, you can add your contact information, and you can do all the stuff, and you can completely change this website to your needs. So let's get started doing this website. First of all, you need to visit wix.com by the link in the description. After visiting, you have to log in to wix.com. It takes about 2 seconds to log in. After that, you will see an interface like this one. So here you have to select your website category. So here you will type anything. So you can select your website category, what kind of website you are creating. So let's suppose we are creating a portfolio website. Choose your category right here, and it will give us some further categories to choose from. So I'm going to create a journal portfolio. After that, click next, and here you will see two options to choose that how you want to create your website. First one is let Wix ADI create a website for you, and second one is create your website with the editor. So if you want to save your time, you can simply click here and you can build your site by simply selecting some option and you are good to go. But if you want to choose a template, specific template for your website, then you have to click right here, edit a template, and I will suggest using the edit a template, and here you will see all the templates regarding to your niche. So now it's up to you to choose a right template for your website. So you can choose one of these. So I'm going to click here, and you can view full demo by here, and here it will load a complete demo of the website, that how it's gonna look like. So here you can see it's here you can set the resume, you can set the projects. Now let's go back and let's click this one and let's see how it looks, and that's the same. Okay, now check this one also, and select a good template for your website at the first. Okay, so now let's suppose we want to add this template. So click here, edit this site, and it will load us Wix website builder, and you can change all the information. All right, here is our template ready to be added. Now here you can simply change the text, double click the text, or click here edit text, and you can simply edit the text. Now let's type anything, how to Wi-Fi. Okay, here I am how to Wi-Fi, and here you can change this picture as well if you want to change. Now as you can see, change column background. So click here and it will load us this section right here. You can choose one of these background, but if you want to upload your image as a background, you have to click on image, and it will show us a menu where you can upload your own file by clicking here upload media, and you can upload your own files. But I'm going to select another image to show you that how it works. So let me click search for mail, and let's see, let's suppose I'm going to add this image. So click change background, and our image will be added right here. Now let's suppose you want to edit this image right here. You can go to settings, and from here you can scale to fit, you can tile, you can change all the position as well. Now let's suppose, okay, now you can change the position, you can make it down, you can make it up, and as you can see it's looking good. Now you can add image text if you want, you can change the opacity, you can change everything you want. Now scroll down, and let's suppose you want to change this section right here also. You have to simply click on change text, and from here you can just type what you want. Okay, it is that easy. You can simply change any information on this section right here. Now let's suppose you want to add a new section right here, you want to showcase your information or anything, then you can simply click here, add strip, and from here you can add a number of things. You can add your blogs, you can add a store, you can add bookings, events, your list. Now let me add some decorative stuff to show you that how you can add this stuff to your website. Now let's choose any one of these to see how it works. So let's suppose we want to add this one. We have to simply drag it and drop it. It is that simple. You don't need any coding knowledge, you have to simply drag and drop. Now you can change the positions, you can align it as you want. If you want to add a new page to your website, you have to simply go to menu and pages, and from here you have to click on add page, and you can add a blank page, or you can choose one of these pages and you can simply add your page to your website, or you can add a landing page as well. Now after making all the changes, you have to simply click on publish, and your website will be ready to go and your website will be live. And let's explore the option, and here you can change the theme, here you can change the background, here you can add some apps, media, start blogging. But we are going to publish this website to look how it goes. Okay, now get a free Wix domain, click save and continue. But if you want to choose your own domain like paid one, you don't need this free domain, then you can connect your own customized domain by clicking here. But in this video I'm going to use a free domain with wix.com extension. Then click save and continue, and after that you will see this section right here, your site is saved. Now click here, publish now, and your site will be published. Here you can see, congratulations, your site is published and live online. You can visit your site by clicking here and you will be redirected to your website. Now as you can see, there's all the changes that we have made, and if you scroll down you will see we have added this decorative stuff right here. So that's how you can completely change this website to your needs. So that's all for now. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.